Hello everybody, SageBox here, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of Logitech G Pro X headset. I know I'm late to the game, but hey, it's better late than never. So without further ado, let's get started. And this over here is going to be Logitech all new G Pro X wired gaming headset. The box itself is very simple, and if we were to look into the left side, we can see stuff that include the box, like the headset and the accessory that comes with, that we'll go over on the video. Flipping the box to the right side, we can see some of the professional gaming teams that actually uses this G Pro X headset at high level tournaments. Flipping the box to the back, we can see more cool features like the Pro G 50mm driver, Blue Voice software, DTS headphone, X 2.0, and many more. So let's get into unboxing. Alright. So as we open it over here, this comes kind of simple to open. It's really cool. It's all in the box right here. This will be the headphone, which we'll talk about in a second. First thing first, which is kind of hard to take. This is going to be the sound card, which is very important. We'll talk about it in a second. We'll look here to the side as well. We'll see the additional ear cuff that this headset comes with, which is kind of like a mesh kind of feel to it, which is pretty cool, which we'll talk about in a second. And then once you open this one, you get stuff like the owner's manual and other important stuff. And if you look here, it's going to be the pretty cool, I actually feel it's very comfortable carrying pouch that it comes with. And if we look inside the carrying pouch, there's nothing over here. Inside the carrying pouch, you get the detachable mic, which is awesome addition that I really love about the new headset as well. And this is important for the Blue software. And also you get two sets of cable. One that's the braided type of cable, which comes with, you know, the mute and unmute button, and also the volume scroll wheel. And you'll also going to get the just regular rubber cord, which is pretty cool, in my opinion. And you also get the splitter. So I guess you're going to share the sound split, which is pretty cool. So you can have your microphone, and this will be your headphone, which is pretty cool in my opinion. Alright, so let's get to the main attraction, which is going to be the headset itself. First thing we do once we open it is, you see, this is going to be the new headset. So far, I'm really loving the way it looks. Compared to the older one, this looks much better. It looks sleeker design with this aluminum feel over here. But unfortunately, not really sure why they didn't make this aluminum as well. It's kind of like a plastic thing, which is kind of funny. It comes with kind of like a rubberized, leatherette ear cuff out of the box. Unfortunately, this headphone doesn't twist left and right like the older one, but it feels very durable. And my god, this thing looks really sexy. And this over here is going to be the end of the video. Please do like, share, comment, subscribe, which is free after all. And peace.